In this lecture, you will learn how to do some sorting and how to combine that with filtering the records. Now, you've already seen how to filter some of the records in the previous lectures, so we will mostly be looking at sorting right now. So we have our text test column, and we also have decimal test. So we will be sorting by the decimal test. So by that decimal number, we'll try from lowest to highest. And first of all, we need to insert some records. So we will be inserting test2 as the text test column. And then we will be inserting different numbers for the decimal. So let's insert one like that, and let's say do 45, and let's do 444 for 54. Let's do that, and let's do some lower numbers. Let's do some lower ones, let's say 0.12, and let's do then 0.19 then. And that should be enough. We can move on to the actual sorting. So let's do first of all select. Let's do all, and then we will do from test table. And now let's get to the sorting. So to sort the items that are retrieved by the search, you need to use order by. You write order by. As you can see, the name is very suggestive. You order by something, and you order by specific column. So let's say, let's do test like that. So we will be ordering everything by that specific column. So now let's try to run it. And as you can see in the output, it starts from the lowest to the highest. Now that is very useful, and as you can see by the default, you do from lowest to highest. But what if you need from highest to lowest? You can do that as well. You simply write des like that. So that is descending sorting. And let's try to execute that. And as you can see, you get 454 first, and then the last one is 0.12. As you can see, it's very interesting. But now you are getting all of those records with no filter. So to combine that with filter, you do select all from test table, and then you need to put in the where statement. You put in where statement after the from and before the order by. Before the order by, the where statement has to go. So let's do then text test equals let's do tst2. So we will filter only the values that have text test as tst2, the column text test tst2 value. So let's try that. And as you can see, it was properly filtered, and with that properly sorted as well. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.